Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Mailchimp. Whether you're reaching out to subscribers with your latest updates or sharing promotional content, Mailchimp makes the process straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account. If you don't already have an account, simply click on Sign Up Free to create one. This will give you access to all the tools you need to start building your newsletter. After logging in, look towards the top left corner of your dashboard where you'll see a button labeled Create. Click on it to begin setting up your newsletter campaign. From the options that appear, select Email. This is where you'll configure everything related to your email campaign. Next, choose Regular Email from the campaign types. You'll be asked to enter an internal campaign name, something only you'll see for organizational purposes. Enter a name that helps you identify this campaign later, then click Begin. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose the design of your email. Go ahead and select Basic Layout to keep things simple and easy to customize. Now it's time to set up your recipients. Click on Add Recipients and select the audience or list you want to send your newsletter to. This ensures your message reaches the right people. After that, click Edit From to enter the sender name and email address that recipients will see when they receive your newsletter. This step is important for building trust and credibility with your audience. Next, click Add Subject to write your newsletter's subject line and preview text. Your subject line is the first thing recipients will see, so make it engaging and relevant to encourage opens. Once that's done, click Design Email to open the email editor where the real creativity begins. In the editor, choose a template by clicking Templates and browsing through the options until you find one that fits your style. For this tutorial, we'll use a template. Hover your mouse over your chosen template and click Apply. This loads the template into your editor, giving you a solid foundation to work from. Now you can use the drag and drop blocks to add text, images, buttons, and other content to your newsletter. Customize it to match your message and branding, making sure everything looks polished and professional. Before sending, click Preview to review your newsletter and ensure everything appears as intended. Once you're satisfied, click Send to send it immediately or choose Schedule if you'd like to set a future send time. And there you have it, you've successfully created and set up a newsletter in Mailchimp, ready to connect with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.